Okay, we're here at my area of inspiration. We're at the Guggenheim Museum on 89th and 5th. Our surgery center is on Park and 90th, so it's literally a great 2-minute walk to come here, grab something to eat, think about our next case. We just had a very difficult case with this lady who had 5 previous surgeries, a lot of scarring, a lot of deformities that we were able to fix. She looks fantastic. I'm going to take a quick look at her in recovery, make sure everything's okay. And meanwhile, this is a nice walk to just between my office and the operating room to come by, think a little bit on a beautiful day. You can hear the birds.